Hey guys, it's Jake here from Diamond Exterior Cleaning, and I've got a bonus job for you today. This is almost like a bonus job because it's quite small. I've just finished doing the front of this house, which was an absolute menace. It was a block paving driveway with terrible drainage. There'll be a video about that, so if you haven't seen that one, make sure you go and see that. That one will probably be up before this one. But the customers asked me to come and do the back, and I've come out here and it looks awesome, but there's so much black spots. So it's going to be a great transformation. I'll show you what I mean. It's only going to be a short job. That's why I thought I'd just do a little bonus video in the week. I'm trying to do one a week, but I'll shove this one in somewhere just for your viewing pleasure. But yeah, I'll show you what we're cleaning. So as you can see, it's quite a cool patio, really nice design on there, but it is riddled with black spots. So I'm going to do my best. I've got tons of chemical with me today. There's loads of drainage out the back, which there wasn't out the front, like I said, and hopefully it's a nice straightforward clean that you guys can enjoy and I can enjoy cleaning. If you like this video, make sure you leave it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get told when I put a video up. Just keep supporting me, mate. You know, love it when people comment and like the video and all of that sort of jazz. But without further ado, as the sun starts shining, I'm going to start cracking on with the clean. Cheers. Wanted a brief interruption because I wanted to show you how effective hypochlorite is, sodium hypochlorite as a soft wash, because I haven't even put any pressure on this. Obviously I haven't cleaned it. I've got the flat surface cleaner with me. I've just put the X-jetted treatment on here with this surfactant, and have a look at how bright this is. I can't believe it actually, how great this is already. This is just a pre-treatment because the I'll get away from that water, it's probably doing your head in. This is a pre-treatment because the black spots are so bad. But what I've done is I've done the first treatment. I'm going to clean it down with the pressure washer and then do a post treatment. But look at how bright this is already, guys. I can't believe my eyes. How mad is that? No pressure needed at all. Right guys, we are done. The second chemical solution has been rinsed off and the majority of the black spots are gone. I'm really happy with the results. The sun is absolutely glorious, so it's given us a great after picture. So I'll show you guys what I've managed to achieve. It's just a simple bit of sodium hypochlorite, flat surface cleaner and a quick rinse. So a nice quick job. I'll show you how good it looks. So I'm sure you'll agree, what a great quick little job that was. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, show me that you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.